looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2018 Jeep Compass Limited in Rhino Clear Coat. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright daylight opening moldings, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 33,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6159.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.